Are you ready to take some brand photos for your photography business? In this video, I'll be sharing some valuable tips and tricks to help you capture some stunning self-portraiture for your brand and leave a lasting impression on your audience. So let's dive in. Tip 1. Find the perfect location. The first tip for capturing great self-portraits for your brand is choosing the right location. Look for a spot with good lighting, interesting backgrounds, and minimal distractions. Whether it's a cozy corner in your home, a beautiful outdoor setting, or a professional studio, location can make a huge difference for the overall feel and look of the photo. Tip 2. Set up your camera and tripod. Once you've found the perfect location, it's time to set up your camera and tripod. Make sure your camera is securely mounted on the tripod and positioned at the right height and angle for the shot you want to achieve. This will help maintain a consistent composition and focus throughout the self-portraiture session. If you're getting value from these tips and tricks, please give us a like and subscribe, and also drop us a comment below once you've finished watching to the end of this video and let me know which tip helped you the most. And now let's get back to the video. To make the process of taking photos for your brand more easier, consider using a remote shutter release like this one here. It will allow you to trigger the shutter without reaching through the camera, and it will give you more freedom to pose and express yourself naturally through the lens. Tip 4. Experiment with different poses and expressions. Don't be afraid to get creative with your poses and expressions. Try out different angles, poses, and facial expressions to find which works best for you. Now I'm just going to share some different pose ideas with you to give you an idea of some great brand photo ideas for your photography business.
Here we go. Turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go. You can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next,
Use an editing software to adjust the lighting, colours and composition of your photo. And don't be afraid to experiment with different editing techniques to achieve the look you desire. Editing is a powerful tool that can take your self-portraits for your brand to the next level. Now that you have the tools and techniques to master your brand photos, it's time to put them into practice. Grab your camera, find a beautiful location, and start capturing stunning portraits for your brand that will showcase your unique style and personality. Don't be afraid to experiment with new poses. By mastering the art of self-portraiture, you'll not only elevate your brand, but also you will create a strong visual identity that sets you apart from the competitive world of photography. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start shooting, and let your self-portraits speak volumes about your passion and expertise in photography, and your brand deserves to shine. And so click this video here and explore more about photography, and I'll see you over there.